This question comes from the Netherlands. Are color-changing UV gels safe to use? Color additives are also known as colorants. They're defined as any substance that imparts a color to a food, a drug, a cosmetic, or to the human body. Colorants may be synthetic or naturally occurring. Many colorants have been proven through scientific testing to be safe enough to eat, and these are allowed to be added to foods and medicines. Some are so safe they can be injected into the skin to create tattoos, while others may cause allergic reactions with prolonged or repeated skin exposure, or respiratory problems when inhaled over prolonged periods. Those that have been found to be unsafe for skin contact or inhalation are not allowed for use in cosmetic products. Governments around the world have established lists of all the colorants in use. From this inventory list, some have been determined to be safe for use in cosmetics, and the rest are not considered safe for cosmetic use. Now, if a manufacturer of a new colorant submits that colorant for safety testing, they may gain government approval to expand the use of the colorant into cosmetics, if the results show that it will be safe to use in this fashion. Those selling cosmetic products are required by government regulations to ensure their products contain only approved cosmetic ingredients. There are serious penalties for those who ignore these responsibilities, yet some irresponsible manufacturers do so and profit from their unfair business practices, hoping government regulators won't find out. Why must nail colorants be safe for inhalation of the dust? Well, because nail color is often filed with an abrasive. It would not be wise to use any colorants not considered safe to inhale in low concentrations during the normal course of performing a salon service. To my knowledge, no color-changing colorants are approved for this use or approved for use as cosmetic ingredients, largely due to the potential for inhalation of their dust. These color-changing ingredients have not been found safe for inhalation, and therefore, I don't think they should be used. I know they are pretty and create some cool effects, but that isn't the issue. Nail technicians' long-term health is the issue, since they're exposed to much more nail product dust and filings in a month than any consumer would ever see in their entire lifetime. Because I don't know of any color-changing ingredient that's allowed for use in nail cosmetics, I don't believe these are safe, and I recommend nail products containing them not be used. If a company wants to sell such products, their responsibility is to submit to safety testing and show governments that the colorant should be added to the approved list of cosmetic colorants. Instead, some companies ignore these regulations and are selling products containing these unapproved colorants. My advice to these manufacturers is to discontinue sales until the proper approval is obtained. And my advice to nail technicians is to avoid companies that disregard the regulations and use unapproved colorants like those that undergo a color change. In short, there is no evidence to support the use of color-changing pigments and nail products, so I recommend not using such products.